Afternoon, ZATR Turf Pets 1106-926. This hen was bred for stock for a reason. Her father, her half brother on father's side, was first club by 6.5 minutes, 5th WRRPA last week for me and Sparks. This hen's father and mother's side was in the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th TPA Union in Pretoria last week for Fred van Heerden, exactly the same family, in fact almost virtually the same breed on either mother, father or both sides. We are very proud of that and happy for Fred van Heerden for having such a good season with our pigeons. This exact same line, in fact both on top and at the bottom, is very closely related to the 15-minute breakaway winner at Vic Falls, bred by Sheldon McDermott. The mother side is a 3-time Kareli O8816 hen. These pigeons have broken records all over South Africa for years. Our other good friend Isak Mare will probably win NOK Union Old and Young. He's also taking the first 7, first 8 pigeons in his club for the last 2 weeks with exactly the same bloodline. This hen's grandfather is a full sister to Isak's Foundation hen. Right, so here we have a small to medium sized hen. She's actually a replica of 17912, the double grand dam here, which is also the grand dam to Tatiana of Painters. So yeah, these pigeons have made people famous wherever they go. Fantastic hen, will develop into something very, very special. She's got a very good eye, and we wish you luck. Thank you.